Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
But that's just facts. So sometimes could we do things a little bit differently? Yeah, we could. A little faster, probably. But we just kind of take our time, and it's been working. So like I said, we've been here on YouTube almost 5 years, running our own businesses, like almost 6. Been a notary off and on for 20, almost 30 now. So still learning, still adding services, and just still growing. I'm growing with you guys. Some things I'm still learning. Even the fact that the journal comes in hardback. That was at the suggestion of one of our mentees. Love this journal. I love this. And they all come in hardback. So we were in session, and he just asked, he's like, hey, does that come in paperback? And I was like, no. Thinking to myself, it doesn't. Then when I got off the call with everyone, I said, well, why can't it? So that's why we're going to have a hot pink one at the end of business today, okay? You won't be able to get it for about a week, but about 3 to 4 days. But it will be a hot pink one coming soon. Be there, be square, okay? I might even add an orange too, since I'm doing 2 more. Let me write myself a note because I will forget. I'm going to add an orange and a hot pink. Is there any other color you would like to see or anything else while I'm adding to the notary collection? Let me know. Because I can add, matter of fact, I might do, because I like even numbers or things that look aesthetically correct on the thumbnail. So it's 15. I can add a couple more. So I'm going to add an orange. I'm going to add a hot pink. And what else? What other colors would you like to see? Y'all can give me 1 more, maybe 2 more. Something else you'd like to see. We already got the pets. We already got, we have the pets and we have the cars. So what else would you like to see on a notary journal? When you pull out your notary journal, what would you like the people to see? Okay. Very good. So Lisa says, yes, Lori, and look where you are now, progress. Yeah, seriously. Seriously, you guys are knocking it out the box. Lori is saying, yeah, Lori W. I love me some Five Guys. Best Cajun fries. They sure do. I'm telling you. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath. Everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents. Learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. So Lori says she is first on the page right after UPS. Can I get a whoop whoop? Go, Lori. And that's where we want you to be, within the 3-pack. Okay? 3-pack. Very good. And she continues to get reviews, and she continues to grow her business. She will be solidly placed there. And that's what you call organic. That's what you call organic. Lori has not paid for ads. I'm going to confirm that right quick before I make that statement. But she would have mentioned it, and she has not. Not that she tell me all her business. But Lori, did you pay for ads to get on number 1? Let me know. I don't think you did. I think that's organic. Because now people are looking her name up. She's getting to events. She's doing her thing. And reviews will get you up there quicker than anything else. Lori, just confirming, you did not pay for ads, correct? And if you are paying for ads, there's nothing wrong with that, but you just want to do it creatively, okay, and effectively. So what does that look like? Well, if you're going to run a Google ad just to get a little friction in your business, you want to make sure run the ad when you're actually available. Don't run it 24 hours and you're sleeping, your ad is still running. That is costing you money. That is wasting money, okay? Run the ad when you can actually work. That's my theory. Now, some people say, well, run it and they'll call you in the morning. No, I'm not paying for an ad when I'm sleeping in my bed, okay? I'm just not. I'm just not. Now, that's my personal opinion. Make sure you use keywords. What are you advertising? Are you advertising mobile service? Are you advertising a apostille service? What are you advertising? So these are a few tips on your Google business, what you should be running when you writing in your ads, okay? To make sure that you're saying. I need to drink this water, guys. And for those of you who may be just joining us, again, I was just highlighting today our Become a Notary Signing Agent. It's not that complicated book. Booyah! What other color journal did you all want to see? So I'm going to put an orange out and hot pink. What other color? Anything else? I'm going to go look into that. Orange or hot pink. Anything else? Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. What other colors? And welcome, everyone. I see we got some new people. Oh, that water is so good. I'm going to drink a big cup in a minute. I usually drink it lukewarm so I can drink more. So I was waiting on Lori to tell me if she ran ads. I don't think she did. She's just organically there because she followed the tips from Alexis's Google My Business training. And she worked on her Google page. Any other comments before we start wrapping up? Any other questions, comments? And I was also asking, what other journal would you like to see? What other journal? And don't forget, you can join mentorship at any time. That's another common question I get about mentorship. Well, it already started. I'm behind. No, you start whenever you want to, because everybody in the program is at a different point. Some people are on apostille. Some people are on field inspection. Some people just learn how to properly notarize. Some people just buying their supplies. And we cheer you all of the way. And that's what makes the difference. That is what makes the difference. Being a part of something where you have like-minded people already doing a thing that can help you to do the thing even faster, okay? Now, you can take your time and do it, which is what you can do in mentorship, too. It's not a set time. That's another common question I get. Well, how long is mentorship? There's not a set time. Mentorship as long as you need mentorship, okay? We're here for you. Let's see. Any other questions? I see we have quite a few new people that have joined us. What questions do we have? Questions, comments? I am going to add 2 more journals to the collection. To the journal collection, I'm going to add 2 more. Got a couple more things I'm working on for everybody. Our next session is tomorrow night. That's just going to be an open Q&A, which is every week is open Q&A after we do a little presentation or whatever. But tomorrow is going to be strictly Q&A. But we always start off with a story or something to break the ice, because sometimes people need a few minutes to kind of get their courage up to speak. And we really want you to enjoy the membership. You know, it's for you. It's for you. So what do we have? Give me something. Nothing else? If not, I'm going to start wrapping up. All right. For all things notary, check out notaryeducatorsllc.com. Also, all courses are 60% off. Use coupon code WIN, WIN2025. Check that out. That's on the self-paced courses. Membership is $47 per month. The coupon code is not for the mentorship. It's already $47. We can't do it any cheaper than that. Okay. And that's going to be that. All right. So guys, on behalf of Notary Educators, again, I'm your girl, Kimmi. I will be in touch and I will see you around. Bye.